Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to level up fast in Hero Wars. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you need to focus on both your team level and hero levels. So first is to pretty much just complete 2 campaign missions. Process through the campaign to earn XP for your team level. Use auto mode for that quick farming of minions you've already beaten, and replay missions that give valuable resources and XP potions. You can go ahead and do daily quests and tasks. So finish all those. They pretty much offer a lot of XP for your team as well. So prioritize easy tasks like collecting rewards for the tower, opening chests in the arena, and starting your adventures. You can also go ahead and make sure you use your energy wisely. Make sure before you enter a battle that you're pretty much a sure win so that your energy won't be wasted on anyway. You can also go ahead and try joining a guild. Access guild activities like the guild dungeon and adventures, which gives you Titan resources, gold, and pretty much more to support your overall progress. There are also events, limited time events, and special offers. During special double XP events, focus heavily on playing. Use any XP potions during these times for faster hero leveling. So pretty much all you have to do is just not slack off when you play this game, and you should be able to level up fast in Hero Wars. But anyways, that's about it. So that's basically how you can level up fast in Hero Wars. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.